Here we have a 2017 17 plate Ford Focus RS. Now we do have LED headlights as well as an RS badging on the front just there, as well as a carbon fibre front splitter. Now we do have four 19-inch alloy wheels in black. We also have the Brembo brake calipers just hiding behind there in a lovely blue. Now we do have privacy glass on the rear as well as black window trim. We have that big rear spoiler. The rear just make this car stand out with RS just badged in there. Now this car comes with a rear reversing camera as well as a rear parking sensor, dual exhaust, flush of the rear bumper and rear diffuser, and we also have the fog light just in the centre as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It does look absolutely superb from every angle. Now heading into the rear of the car, we do have half fabric and half leather seats with blue stitching just in there as well. We also have ISO fixed points. Now we do have electric windows with integrated speakers in the back as well. Now if we go inside the car, to the front, there's a look at the driver's half leather and half fabric Recaro seat with RS stitched in just there. Now this vehicle does come with stage 2 from factory, as it says just there. So it's integrated speakers, electric windows and power folding mirrors. Jumping inside the car, foot on the brake and the clutch, we do have keyless start. Now we do also have a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter just down here, and also you get your volume controls, phone and voice commands just there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over 15,700 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now we do have our boost gauges just up there with oil temp, turbo pressure and also oil pressure up there as well. Now we do have satellite navigation. Don't forget click on controls. We do have audio settings where we have a DAB radio. We also have FM, AM, CD and Bluetooth audio. We also have phone connectivity. Going on apps and settings. Scroll across. We do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Flip the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing sensors and the rear reversing camera just there. Coming down here, we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. So it's 12 volt connectivity, USB connectivity and a bit of storage in there as well. You can turn traction control on and off as well as your drive mode, where we have normal, sport, race and track and also drift. And you also have the stop and start on and off there as well. You have two nice sized cup holders, soft touch leather harness and storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's half leather and half fabric front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Focus RS with the Monsoon Stage 2 375 kit. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep in a straight line. We do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. We also have the boost gauges just at the top there, where it can show you the temperature of the oil and also boost pressure. To activate, so we press set and then it will set. Well, at the moment I'm going to start slowing down before the roundabout light is coming up. As I get to the roundabout I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. Now I do have different drive modes where you have sport, also race track, drift mode and also just normal driving mode, but I'm going to keep this in normal driving mode. Now you do have a very comfortable half leather and half fabric front seats and also rear seats. But the front seats are bucket seats which keep you very firmly in place when you're going around corners and are actually very comfortable. So you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now we do have satellite navigation as well as Bluetooth media connectivity as well as phone connectivity. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as MirrorLink. We also have dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon, which really does help for those really hot summer days. It is a very smooth car with a manual 6-speed gearbox, which when you go through the gearbox and all the gears, each gear is smooth as smooth can be. It is absolutely fault car sales, we do contactless nationwide delivery. We also have over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader, and as well Car Gurus. If you read reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. We do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, so feel free to follow us on either platforms just to stay up to date with everything car sales and to stay up to date with new stock we get coming in, so if anything takes your fancy. But right now I'm coming up to the industrial state and I'm going to take a right, we can perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work as they should. And so does the front bit, the rear parking sensor and the rear reversing camera. So just wait for traffic to go by and then I'll be able to pull in, which you'll be in a second, and thank you for letting me out. So, oh, there's a car in front of me, so I'll just wait for this car to move out of the way, then I'll be able to perform the emergency stop. So coming in, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, it broke very quickly, as those Brembo brake calipers really do make this car stop with ease. If you were driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening during this video, there hasn't been any. It really is a very smooth car to drive and a very enjoyable car to drive. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can book a test drive and a viewing for your selected car. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.